What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I'm going to show you how to remove the Whitestone Dome Glass from your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, there could be a variety of reasons why you need to remove this. For me, I got a little chip in mine here. I also have a bubble here when I installed it that I need to replace this. Now, there's a variety of reasons why you need to replace this, but for me, that's why I need to replace mine. And I'm going to show you how to do it, but you got to do it carefully and you got to do it slowly, but it's very easy to do. The other thing that you don't have to worry about when taking off this Whitestone Dome is that it does not damage your device. So don't worry about it damaging your device. You just have to peel it off slowly, but you can peel it off and you can get it off very easily. Now, I will replace this. Now, if you need to know how to install the Whitestone Dome, you can go right up there, hit that link, and you'll be able to know how to install. I'll also leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick up the Whitestone Dome, also and how you can install this device, this Whitestone Dome onto your device. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're simply gonna take one of the corners here and you're gonna start to peel off with your fingernail very slowly. You see how it's kind of peeling off, and it may crack a little, but all you have to do is kind of work your way, work its magic so that it starts to peel. And there you go. And it will crack a little bit, but you gotta do it slowly. Hopefully the camera's getting this. And then you just kind of pull. You keep pulling, but you want to go slow and pull up and out like so. You see I already have half of it gone, and it'll start to come off. The rest of it will start to peel up slowly but surely. As you can see, the whole bottom's coming off. You see that? I know the light's kind of getting in the way, and boom, there's your Whitestone Dome. It's gone. You ain't got to worry about it, and there's no glue on here. So all you really want to do is take a microfiber cloth, kind of peel off everything so you get no glass or anything off of your Whitestone Dome. You could also, if you have one of these, pretty handy from maybe an old screen protector you had to install, or from another phone or something else, make sure it's wet, and then you kind of just wipe it down, get all the stuff off of there, and you'll be able to then wipe it with your microfiber cloth like so, and that's it. The Whitestone Dome is completely gone off of your phone. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You can go ahead and install a new one, and you can watch my video to install. But that's it. That comes right off your phone, and this part here is still sticky. So the glue sticks to this and not to your actual display. Well, it does stick your display, because how else would it stay on there? Come on, man. But that's gonna do it, man. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell down there. Also, jump down into the comments. Tell me what you think about this, and if you've done it. And if this videos help you out, you can leave a thank you, or if you have any other question, and subscribe to the channel. That's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. How do you remove the Whitestone Dome Glass from your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? I just showed you. Peace, party people.